What is up guys, Dan this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to gift games on Steam. So first you need to install the Steam's application from the Steam's official website, and after you have installed the Steam application, you need to log in with your email ID and password to Steam. And after signing up or logging into the Steam's application, you need to hover and search for the games here on the right side of the search bar, that the game that you want to gift. When you are choosing the game, you scroll down a bit and then you will see the option to add to cart. Click on this and then a pop-up window will appear. Now in this pop-up window, this game will be added to your cart, but to make it a gift, you need to click on this for my account and then the drop-down list will appear. And then from here, you need to select this is a gift. And when you select this, and after that, when you view your cart, Steam will prompt you to your friends list to choose that to which friend or a member you need to give that gift to. And when you click on continue to gift options, you will see the option of select gift recipient. Click on this, and then from here you can search your friend's name or your recipient's name, and then you can choose and you can send the game. You can also send the game immediately, or you can schedule it for a specific day, like a special day or a birthday. So this is how you can gift your friends or recipients a game on Steam. That was all for the video, everyone. Thank you for watching.